This is a 2-gallon Bloem watering can. I really love this watering can. I mean, 2 gallons is a really good size. It's manageable for one person. You don't want to get a watering can that's going to be overly heavy. You've just got your little shower head here and basically the can part here. I also like the watering cans that are not made of metal. I want to steer clear of anything that's going to potentially have any kind of rust or any kind of calcification inside. It's a UV coated, UV protected material. Highly durable. You can leave this thing out in the sun all day and it's not going to get overly dried out. It's not going to crack. I really love that it's got the double handle design. You can get a much more consistent kind of gentle watering by holding both handles and kind of supporting the weight. And this will help your plants out. I mean, you want to soak slowly and you want to soak really, really gently, especially with new plants that have not been established yet. And this 2-handle system is perfect for that. Do as much as you can directly onto the root ball and the root system, and I think you'll have much better success with your garden bed. I would recommend this to anyone, whether it's a professional working on site on a large scale, and I would also recommend it to somebody that's just starting out with a DIY urban veggie garden. Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.